Finally, the end of the week. I can't wait to leave work and relax.
Tell me about it. I've had too much work today, but happily, it's the last day of the week.
Yeah, me too. So, what time will you finish working today? As usual.
No, I'm leaving earlier. Today, it's a special day in my house. Don't you remember?
Not precisely. You know, I have been too busy these days. Sorry.
Kevin, bro, today is my wedding anniversary. I've told you that before.
Oh, I can't remember now. Sure, you told that last day. Excellent. Congratulations.
Yeah, I've been so excited about it since it's our first year of being married.
I can't tell you. I understand you. Because I'm not married yet, but
Don't worry, someday, you will also find the right person to be with.
well, I'll see. So, what plans do you have for today? Anything special?
Of course, I will take my husband for dinner at a nice restaurant downtown.
Oh, don't tell me is the new restaurant that has been inaugurated just last week.
Yeah, that one. We will go there, eat some delicious food, and drink alcohol.
But I heard it was really difficult to get a table there. It has become very popular.
I know a friend who works there, and he will help me.
Excellent. Will you get him any gift or a special surprise, maybe?
Of course, I already bought an expensive watch for him. It's nice.
I see. You're spending all your salary on just one day.
Well, it's a special day for me. And you? What are your plans for today?
Well, I asked Olivia to go out with me. So, we will go to see a movie tonight.
Olivia? From the accounting area? She's beautiful. Good luck with her.
Yeah. You know, I like her a lot. So, I'm so excited about tonight's date.
I don't need to worry. She seems to be a nice girl. I'm sure you'll have fun.
Do you think so? Well, if everything goes well, I will ask her to be my girlfriend.
Take it easy, my friend. Go step by step. First, you need to talk and know her well.
You're right. Anyway, what are you doing tomorrow afternoon?
In the afternoon, I will go to the park with my child in the morning.
No. You need to be free tomorrow afternoon. I need you to go with me to one place.
Okay, I wanted to stay at home and relax. But, tell me, where do you want to go?
It's not where I want. It's where we have to go. Don't you remember what's on Monday?
I don't know. The first day of the week to work really hard again.
Don't be silly. On Monday is our boss's birthday. How can you forget that?
Really, I had forgotten it. So, where are we going tomorrow afternoon?
We need to buy a present for her. Sari will buy the cake, she told me.
All right, then. Do you have anything idea about that she likes or prefers?
She works really hard every day. So, I was thinking about buying a smartphone.
A smartphone? Isn't that too expensive? I don't think we can buy that.
No, it's quite cheap. I just bought one last week.
Well, if you say so, I suppose we will see that tomorrow. I pass by your home.
Okay. What about Sunday? What are you going to do that day?
Did you know? I received a special bonus this week due to my sales.
Yeah, I'm jealous of that. I also almost reached it. But I failed in one sale, and that was it.
Yeah, I was thinking of using that money to travel to Disneyland.
Oh, that's a great idea. But will you go just for one day? Will that be enough?
Yeah, since I don't have much time to go, I prefer to go at least for one day.
Well, I hope you have fun. I suppose you will take your children and husband with you.
Of course, I will. They have been asking me to go there since last month.
Then, you have to take them there. Otherwise, they will keep asking you forever.
That's right. And what about you? What will you do on Sunday all day?
In the morning, I will go to the church. You know, I go there every Sunday.
I didn't know you were still going. I thought you had stopped going since you're tired.
No, my family and I, we all go together. It is kind of a tradition we can't break.
That's cool. And after going to the church, what will you do?
I have no plans for Sunday afternoon. I think I will just stay at home to watch TV or play video games.
Won't you play soccer? I thought you were playing soccer every Sunday.
No, I won't. The last time I played soccer, I hurt my knee. So I can't play now.
That hurt a lot. Well, you needed a break, so relax a little.
Oh, thank you. I did that a lot.
Okay, I have to go now. Nice to talk to you. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.
That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video will help improve your English listening skills. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next videos.